Ready? That's scary. It's good though. Looks good.
You smell it? You can smell the nitro, man.
Yeah.
Here we go. Alright, I'm landing.
Alright.
Film it.
I am.
I'm not landing yet.
I figured that out. I hope I'm even getting some of this film because I can barely see out of this glass.
As long as you got the camera looking when you're looking, it should be alright.
Kill him. Did you just chase him?
I did.
Because I got it on film.
Oh, they sound pissed.
Those things are angry now. Good job.
Alright, step back a little.
What's that?
Approach.